You train hard, you sweat, you push through pain. So why does your body look the same? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your muscles aren't stubborn. Your strategy is. And once you fix that, everything changes. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why your workouts aren't triggering growth, and how to realign your training so your body has no choice but to adapt. No hype, no gimmicks, just strategy that actually works. Your body is not emotional. It doesn't care how motivated you feel. It only responds to signals. If the signal is weak, inconsistent, or confusing, your muscles stay exactly where they are. Growth is not about effort, it's about clarity. Step 1, you're training hard, not smart. You think more effort equals more results, so you add more sets, more exercises, more sweat. But your muscles don't grow from chaos, they grow from progression. If the weight isn't increasing, if the reps aren't improving, if the tension isn't rising, your body has no reason to change. Effort without progression is just fatigue. Step 2, you're chasing burn, not tension. That burn feels productive, but burn is just discomfort, not growth. Muscle responds to mechanical tension, controlled reps, full range of motion load that actually challenges you. If every set looks rushed, sloppy, or ego-driven, your muscles feel nothing worth adapting to. Slow down, feel the muscle, make every rep count. Step 3, you're not recovering, you're surviving. You train like a machine, but recover like it doesn't matter. Muscle isn't built in the workout, it's built after, when you rest. If you're sleeping 5 hours, under-eating protein, training the same muscle every day, you're not building muscle, you're interrupting the process. Growth needs space. Recovery is not optional, it's part of the strategy. Step 4, you keep changing the plan. Every week, new program, new split, new exercises. You're not giving your body time to adapt. Muscle growth rewards consistency, not novelty. Stick to movements long enough to track strength, improve form, increase load. Your body needs repetition to understand the signal. Let's be clear, if you're doing these, progress will stall. Training to exhaustion every session. Never tracking weights or reps. Ignoring rest days. Copying random routines online. Confusing soreness with success. These don't make you disciplined, they make you inefficient. Your muscles are not resisting you, they're waiting for a clear signal, enough recovery, consistent overload. When the strategy aligns, growth becomes predictable. Not magical, not genetic, predictable. If this helped you rethink your training, subscribe to CoreVolt. Here, you don't chase motivation. You build systems that work, like the video, stay consistent, and fix the strategy, not the blame.